Lilis Chica Donay Pangilinan may 4 na revelasyon sa kanyang buhay pag-ibig. 4 na rules kung bakit matatag sila ni Belle hanggang ngayon sa 5 taon na nilang relasyon. Sabi niya, never fight in front of other people. Protect your bond and not your ego. Yan ang number 1. Number 2, never sleep without resolving the problem and hugging it out. Number 3, always talk it out, even when it's hard. Pang-4, don't let the bad day make you forget the good ones. Ganyan kami ni Belle.